Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica Rhema, and to my old subscribers I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for your love and support. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how I prepare this crunchy and delicious sausage roll. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. Here are the ingredients needed for this recipe. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are listed in the description box below. Now into a mixing bowl, I'll add the flour, the baking powder, nutmeg and salt, and sugar. So using my washed hand, I will mix everything together. Once I'm done mixing the dry ingredients, I will add the softened butter. In making this recipe, it's advised you set your butter at room temperature so it will be easier for you to mix. I will mix this until it forms breadcrumbs texture. In that, I'll be sure everything is very well combined. So once I've achieved this texture, it shows that everything is properly mixed. As you can see the texture, so at this point I will be adding the eggs. You can as well add the eggs, milk and vanilla extract at once, but if you are not conversant with the measurement, it's good you add the eggs first, mix it and then gently add the milk. This will help you to achieve a perfect dough because you wouldn't want your dough to be too sticky. I'm just showing you the right way to do it, but if you are conversant with the measurement, just go ahead and add the whole liquid at once and start mixing. So at this point, I'll be adding the vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can as well use 10 grams of vanilla sugar in place of this. And finally, I will add the milk. Now I will go ahead and mix this until a uniform dough is formed. In mixing this, initially it will be very sticky, but you have to mix it to a point where it's no longer stick to your hand or the mixing bowl. So as you can see, I've achieved a uniform dough, very soft and smooth. Now I'll be transferring it into a smaller bowl. I will cover this with a nylon seal and put it in the fridge to sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So here I will cover my tray with baking sheets. You can as well grease your pan with butter and spread some flour on it and it's still okay. This is just optional. So this is the sausage. I've already removed the nylon seal and I will just go ahead and blend this without adding water. So this is the sausage after I've blended it. Now I will go ahead and add the ingredients. Like I said before, the full list of the ingredients are stated in the description box. In preparing this, salt is not needed because the sausage itself is salty. And in blending it, it's advised you blend without adding water because we wouldn't want a soft and sticky sausage. If your sausage is too soft and sticky, it will affect the texture of the dough after rolling it out. Now for the egg wash, I will crack in 1 egg, give it a proper whisk and set it aside. So here is the dough after it has stayed in the fridge for 10 minutes. Now it's ready to be rolled out. To my work surface, I will spread some flour and I will be cutting the dough into 4 parts. This makes it easier to work on and also helps to achieve equal sized sausage rolls after baking. Now I will start with 1 part and using my rolling pin, I will roll it out into a rectangular shape. Roll this out to be very flat because we'll be folding it. So the more flat it is, the better. Now using my pizza cutter, I will cut out the edges. This will help me to get a good rectangular shape. Now I will start scoping in the sausage. So once I'm done scoping in the sausage, I will rub the upper edge with the egg wash we prepared earlier on. This helps to seal the roll after folding. So to fold it, start from one end, fold it gently. When you get to the other end, you come back, start again, fold it until everything is folded, just the way I'm doing it. So to make sure it's properly sealed, I will give it a gentle roll. This helps it to seal very well. Now I will cut off the excess edges. Now I'll be cutting this roll into 4 equal parts. This is where you determine the size of your sausage roll. If you want it to be long, it's up to you. If you want it to be short, it's up to you. So I will gently lift it and place it on the baking tray we prepared earlier on while I continue with the rest of the dough. I will repeat the same process until I'm done rolling out the whole dough. At this point, I'm done rolling out the whole dough. Now using the remaining egg, I will egg wash them. This helps to know when the sausage roll is ready and also gives it that shining golden look after baking. My oven is preheating at 175 degrees. Once I'm done with the egg wash, I will set it in the oven and let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Remember to keep an eye on it and bake according to your oven capacity. So after it has baked for about 30 minutes in the oven, the sausage roll is ready. I will allow it to sit and cool down for some minutes. So guys, this is how beautiful and crunchy the sausage roll turned out. This is just amazing. Now I will open it and show you how the inside looks like. This is just perfect. Please don't forget to leave your comments, like this video, share and subscribe, and see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye bye.